You're watching the Go Green Home Systems Brief from Go Green Heating, AC, and Electric. Comfort, safety, and efficiency in just a couple of minutes.
First up, a timely Seattle heat pump opportunity. The city's Clean Heat program offers a $2,000 instant rebate when a Seattle homeowner switches from oil heat to a qualifying Mitsubishi Electric heat pump through a participating contractor.
Moderate-income households may qualify for an additional $4,000 bonus for total potential savings of up to $6,000. The city says bonus-eligible installations must be completed by September 30th, 2026. Eligibility and equipment rules apply, so start with participating contractors and the official city program page.
Next, there is a federal safety recall involving certain Amana window room air conditioners and through-the-wall air conditioners or heat pumps. The Consumer Product Safety Commission announced the recall on June 25, 2026.
The commission says the heating element can remain energized during a ground fault, even when the unit is turned off, creating fire and burn risks. The recall covers specific model numbers beginning with PB, AH, or AE.
If you have a window or through-the-wall Amana unit, do not guess. Find its model number and compare it with the official CPSC recall list. Follow the manufacturer's remedy instructions if your exact unit is included.
Finally, a refrigerant reminder. The Environmental Protection Agency says replacement refrigerants are not universally interchangeable. Air conditioners and heat pumps are designed around specific refrigerants and components.
When repairing or replacing equipment, ask what refrigerant the system uses, whether the technician is trained for that equipment, and how the choice affects performance and energy use. Never use a product marketed as 22A in an R22 home air conditioner. The EPA warns that it can contain highly flammable hydrocarbons.
Your 3-minute homeowner check this week is simple. Review your electric bill, locate the model number on any room air conditioner, and note the refrigerant shown on your main system's data plate.
You can find every source in the video description. This briefing is educational and does not replace an inspection of your specific equipment.
For help keeping your home comfortable, safe, and efficient, contact Go Green Heating, AC, and Electric. We'll see you in the next Go Green Home Systems Brief.